Looking for the best mobility scooters in 2026 that blend comfort, reliability, and independence? Whether you need a folding mobility scooter for travel, a powerful four-wheel model for seniors, or simply want to compare top-rated options on Amazon, we've got you covered. We've tested the top 5 mobility scooters, so watch till the end to discover which one fits your lifestyle best. And don't forget, all product links are in the description below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest mobility and tech reviews. Number 1 is the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. Stands out among the best mobility scooters in 2026 for its perfect balance of stability, power, and portability. Designed for seniors and adults who value comfort and independence, this electric-powered scooter delivers a smooth, safe ride indoors or outdoors. It features a durable frame supporting up to 265 pounds, and the four-wheel design ensures excellent balance on uneven paths. The long-range battery offers extended use, ideal for all-day errands or travel adventures. Its intuitive control panel, adjustable speed, and ergonomic handlebar make it incredibly easy to operate. The detachable basket is great for shopping or carrying essentials, while the quick-to-assemble design allows for convenient storage and transport. If you're looking for a reliable, compact mobility scooter that combines safety and style, the Vive 4-wheel is a smart investment. Number 2 is the LODSTUN 4-wheel foldable mobility scooter. Redefines comfort and functionality for 2026. Among the best mobility scooters for seniors, this model features a plush, upgraded large seat that provides superior support during long rides. The detachable lithium battery offers a 15-mile range on a single charge, making it perfect for city outings or park strolls. Its front and rear baskets, dual mirrors, and LED headlight enhance safety and convenience. The foldable design makes transport and storage effortless, a major plus for travelers and caregivers. With a responsive motor and stable four-wheel base, it ensures a confident ride across different terrains. The addition of a USB port lets you charge devices on the go, ideal for modern users. Whether for daily mobility or recreational use, the LODSTUN offers great performance, thoughtful design, and unbeatable comfort, securing its place as one of the top-rated mobility scooters in 2026. Number 3 is the Aotedor mobility scooter. Is a true game-changer for those seeking an ultra-lightweight and travel-friendly mobility solution. Weighing just 36 pounds, it's one of the lightest models among the best mobility scooters in 2026. Despite its compact size, the dual lithium batteries offer an impressive 22-mile range, ensuring freedom and reliability wherever you go. The powerful motor handles moderate slopes and all-terrain paths with ease, while the foldable design makes it airline-approved and ideal for frequent travelers. Seniors and adults alike will appreciate its effortless maneuverability and ergonomic seating. It also features intuitive controls and solid tires for a smooth, puncture-free ride. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, the Aotedor combines portability, endurance, and sleek aesthetics, a standout pick for anyone wanting independence without the bulk. For those who prioritize convenience, range, and performance, this scooter delivers exceptional value in 2026. Number 4 is the MOVEMAGIC 4-wheel electric mobility scooter. Takes power and range to the next level in 2026. Built for those who need long-lasting performance, it offers a remarkable 30-mile travel range powered by a 350W motor and a high-capacity 720Wh lithium battery. This model easily ranks among the best long-range mobility scooters for seniors and adults. The heavy-duty construction supports up to 300 pounds, providing stability and comfort on extended rides. Dual baskets add practical storage for groceries or essentials, while the foldable design ensures easy transport. Whether navigating city streets or park trails, the MOVEMAGIC maintains smooth handling and safety with its robust four-wheel base. Its design emphasizes both functionality and comfort, making it ideal for users who refuse to compromise mobility for power. If you're searching for a durable, travel-ready mobility scooter in 2026, the MOVEMAGIC is a top-tier choice. Number 5 is the SCOOTNGO mobility scooter offers the perfect blend of portability and power for seniors and adults in 2026. This lightweight four-wheel electric scooter is designed for smooth and stable rides at up to 5 miles per hour, ideal for daily errands or travel adventures. What sets it apart is its dual removable batteries, allowing users to double their range and recharge one while using the other, perfect for longer outings. Its foldable, airline-approved frame makes it a top contender among the best mobility scooters in 2026 for frequent travelers. The comfortable seat, intuitive controls, and durable tires ensure both comfort and safety on various surfaces. Stylish in silver gray, the SCOOTNGO combines elegance with functionality, giving seniors the independence they deserve. For anyone looking for a dependable, easy-to-store, and high-performance mobility scooter, this model checks all the right boxes.